What is up, guys? RC Jeff here with another video. So today we're gonna go to Victor's tire shop. We're gonna put the left tire on the driver's side. Already have all three. All geocache money.
Oh,
What up, Cut?
I'm already getting cut with Noonie.
You and Uni?
Yeah, he's almost done.
Oh, you getting a haircut?
Yeah, I'm getting a haircut.
But y'all, I'm gonna go to Victor's shop way.
For sure, I'll hit you over right now.
Alright, let me not cut. We just pulled up to Victor's shop. I'm right here next to Islitas on Simmons and Craig. Samuel's right there. Gusta?
What?
The truck.
That shit's bad.
Yeah?
I sit in that shit.
You got the like the leather seats now?
Yeah.
Damn, must be nice. It's just hella sick. Oh shit. Damn. Yeah, we have to get all this shit.
Yeah.
That's like it just changes the truck way.
Yeah, I'm God. I'm gonna lift this bitch. I'm pushing 22x14s on it.
Damn. It's gonna be sick, nigga. You gonna put a sound system or what?
Nah, I think it sounds pretty good the way.
You like it? It's balls or what?
Yeah, boss. There's this too now?
Nah. Damn, you putting in that work. We're getting our shit changed, my boys.
Yeah, he told me I was like, your cousin's truck sick as fuck. Yeah, he just needs to get it dialed in.
You hella getting faded? Sheesh. Those shit are heavy or what?
A little bit. Fuck you on this so big for, bro.
The problem had it. Sick ass fool. Thanks, dog. Once again, guys, we're right here at Craig and Simmons. Y'all need some tires, hit up my boy Victor. He'll take care of y'all. We're about to pull up on my cousin. I was watching his truck right now. Scare this fool, let's scare him, let's scare him, let's scare him. Ah, he saw him. Sheesh! What up, cuz?
That shit left it hella. There you
We're about to go to my house. We're gonna put the map sensor on this Fujio's truck. We're about to go to the store so we could find the little thing we need. Well, cut.
That's the homie's business.
Oh.
He works here, but I think he's not with the shit.
Nah, why?
Like, you wanna hook it up? Like how Kevin was?
Kevin's with the shits, huh?
He didn't want to give a
You
fuck. Tacos again?
Why, you want tacos?
Yeah.
Just Feel that shit. Vámonos.
Yeah.
With the nitrous. Sheesh.
Hijo de puta.
It's crazy. Go ahead. Oh, hold there.
Thank you, man.
She's cool.
She.
That shit looks like it, huh? Yeah, that's the one.
Damn. Yeah, gotta put some of the spit on
Y'all can hella see that T25, boy. Sure you're just gonna get. God damn, cuz. Dominican.
Hey, let me
Since
know.
when?
That nigga said fuck out of town. With a supercharger. Dang, that nigga let sideways.
There's a baby ass intercooler,
Yeah,
dog.
hell yeah. They make some big ass ones, bro. They're like $100.
He got a little ice. And go fat ass burn on the
I
water.
will.
You
When
won't.
we leave? Hell yeah. Fat ass. Look, look, these tires are brand new. They're asking for it.
Dang, for the log,
For
nigga.
the vlog, for the one time.
You fucking popped the hood.
Why is it on this side?
I don't know, it's a gay car.
What the fuck?
I got you, nigga.
Look at my kid. That shit burns out though. Oh shit. You got hella guns.
Did a little bit because I didn't want to. Fucking lemonade. Lemonade. Jeffrey's a cute one.
I'll tell you.
Nigga, I'm 5'7", dude.
How's you cook? She's cook.
Sir.
Think she's feds? It does. She's black. Llega a la casa, güey. I black.
I didn't need.
Thanks, G.
No problem, nigga. Tomorrow, nigga, we drop that fucking tank.
Bet. It's a gas whip.